Abusuafo ye mo bibia akwa de ba Nana Akwasi TV so Nana Akwasi on the street. And nyame ya adom Oda Youth Festival. Oda Youth Festival na ye ni omu nyina hia aye media press. Ahwe de adwumadie no media launch ahwe de adwumadie 2025 2026 no adwumadie no activities a ewo ho. Enti ene wa wo hwe Nana Akwasi TV bo modern se oye odan ni nko ade a obo modern wa follow adwumadie ba bedi wa ha ene dua we ye ne Oda Youth Festival na ye ne on bedi adwumadie bo modern se obe subscribe na wa like na wa comment na wa share e dia mama nti e be ko inside ho de be ko so ho bia no e de be brem na ma bibi chi wa dwen so abo modern so be comment wo comment section na se ye de hum aye e be brem nti me ra inside ho ne akohwe de e ko so e wo ho no. The presentation of Oda Youth Festival. Now, the Oda Youth Festival will be starting on the 7th of December 2025 to 1st January 2026. The event is going to be in Akyem Oda, and the presentation is done by me as a marketing manager. So we are starting with the planning committee. With the planning committee, we have Michael Te as our president. We also have Charles Owusu Amponsa, the treasurer. We have the marketing manager and assistant secretary Asanteman, myself. We have the social media and the PRO called Felix Kwayabua Jr. We also have marketing assistant Grace Sapon. We have our graphic designer Victor Opoku. We also have float organizer Yao Frimpong. We have Porter Amponsa David. We have our culture coordinator and assistant organizer Edwin Tete Mauli. We have Lodina Sekun, who is the head of hospitality. We have our fashion show coordinator Asamoah Yangsen. We have our organizer William Frimpong and Opoku Gideon, head of sanitation. We have Ralph Tonto, secretary, and the fashion coordinator, Vanessa and Nasty, being a porter. Before I start with this, I think they gave you a sheet of paper which consists of the list of the program. We have some QR codes on there. One is for WhatsApp, and one is for the program itself, the activities. So I would like to say, Obibia unya aside in Uofun, I'll be to me scanning so that you can be added to our WhatsApp group as the media group that we are going to use for this occasion. So I will plead with you to take good care of the sheet we have given you so that at the end of everything, we'll be to me scanning now or a part of our WhatsApp group. So this is the purpose of the media launch. Official introduction of the festival to the media. And then that's from Kwan, Yeba Beji, Ebeda, your festival to the media houses in Akyem Oda. So that's the reason why he invited Mohase. Our second point, we are also going to unveil the vision, the programs, and expectations. Yaba you need to adi huntia or now youth festival. Na ye. I think so no programs outline na ebe yo chimda and also that youth festival in yan and then ebe kan ho asem wa ha. Now for expectations and nyoma ye hwe enim say we dey ebesi ewo Afieway Youth Festival. We're also going to build a strategic partnership with the media. That is the reason why we are all here. We did say your media houses be brave ha say. You person no fa nyonkofla. As I know for the be din yi send ya ne hwehwe say youth festival be konanim let me dey akonanim enunti and I invite him. We also have shared publicity responsibilities to make the event a success. Before sana to make you na eba we pay no munima enye de enye yi ana yen kwan yen so yentimi enye enti ene mo ba be share the responsibilities of publicity how I betimi aka ho asem na etimi akọ amansan so nia and now in time video ni so baby bia bia bekobia na what Odan Youth what festival ewo ho eno nti ene na invite mu nia mo ha say this is about the Odan Youth Festival. We all know that Odan Youth Festival is an annual youth-led festival that brings together communities, leaders, and the diaspora. It drew Christmas na obia no Odan Youth Festival. Eya dia ede obi bia eka ebom brono ekrokro owo omo enso achi ekrokuri ni atime ba Odan ebeji omani. Na afenso no leaders, the political leaders, the clergy, the traditional leaders omni atime babom ema itime di sa agrowing ni amani efe. Afenso wo omo abrochire omo ba fie ababedi Christmas no omso nya akwanya itime beji omani. We also have celebrate culture, talent and innovation and development. Odan Youth Festival Emma platform obia it me portray the culture. That is why we have a forum one more year before it me better culture. One more year traditionalist it me better culture. Obia it me eba better the culture and the talent and the innovations. Bra yes idea we one more once and ejuma omo school be a bia no nya akwanya it me be show sadie and afen so it me show sadie we near at the idea of development mpuntu at the bar Akyem Dame. We also have this point: create opportunities for the youth, empowerment, economic activity, and social unity. I say me the papa. Ninja make us say, "Brother Abrinian, young youth na yen nya kwanya bibrisa." But if your program outline a babu say you will be a friend mpuntu dinner. Sa breno empenifo mo Akyem dan nia bishia. Your mom invite. Na youth need an opportunity to be able to ask them questions, so that science your memoir dream of mine home course after your friend so economic activity bright sa good day we course no one more time one more mudiga sanyoma nia tinye den ekonanim wa otata riba betata riashe wa oton bibibia no akwanya ba mo bia timbe ni ebetobi afen so ye wo bibia fefre no social unity seni ni aba be shemu ha ebi firi achemansa ebi firi ofie ebi firi obibia yini yetima aba be she ha e de nkabom ye den eba ama agrona ebi de no etimi akoso yi. We also have strengthen our cultural identity and community pride. Obi timi ka so fi odan pa na ne ra wo so fi odan eni ko say basa. We need to have something we call a cultural identity. Send ye ko baby bit say me esimesi me fi Akyem dan because of the Odan Youth Festival edi enyoma pa ne kwa abontin. Enti sa nyoma na e kwa abontin no eboa ma yentimi egitum say ampa me Akyem ni me fi Odan because of enyoma papa ye den if you den oba. After so we have community pride. Ho na otimi ka say me fi Odan me fi Agona me fi ha me yesi. Sa nyoma we ni aboa abra ye Odan Youth Festival. Now we have the objectives and our festival objective. Nyentia ye Odan Youth Festival. And na yebedi hon komo kakra. 1. Promote cultural heritage and social cohesion. Yen num say Akyem dan ye wa mamre ene amane wo ha. The kwan be so ye be fa bo ho ban. Because of Odan Youth Festival, ye nya sa akwanya no e kire ya mamre ene yamane e wa Akyem dan. Ama wo mpo mu hu bi da no etimi hu esua bi ye de efrim. Afenso e de nkabom eba because sa abre no wa wo ye Muslimi wa ya igbeni wa ya mfantini yenia ye ba ebe kambum ede nkabum ye de eba. We also have the second point, which is create platform for youth engagement and expression. And then I make say your activity we hire to the day mpuntu dinner. Sabre no emma youth no kwan amomutini mpanifo leaders of Akyem dan edin isawoso ama nia ehia odaman no ana within our communities no yetimi de eka ho asem ama eboa ma yetimi nya sa anyomani nia. Both local businesses and tourism. You know say Akyem dan you the biggest fee e wa Akyem dan hase. One more member youth festival ni bi enya akwanya timi kwohwe sa bia ho yo ukọ ekere so ayo I can't say a fish pond and I say a river which contains a lot of catfish. So a tourism site or be at me the eco hebe. After the I can say it's both local businesses and then one more boutique. You be doing you be a fan your for fraba. One more motunton you be a fan your because woman say, Sabreno, and my business ready, a boomy, and my business ready, a cosso, in Tinoche or down youth festival, a buama, JD, a cosso yepa. Then the next point, unite media leaders and community members to celebrate development. And I'm not going to say, you free different media houses near them. Yabaha. If we are crying about how we feel, we will actually answer on who need that. But I queen away, a bit one wish your young blogger. We will take Oda Citizen, or take Philip, a bit more would be, but on who need that. But now I'm not going to say, bit made a share networking. In the age now, Oda Youth Festival, so Anna Sadi near the AC. One, we talk about community members to celebrate development. You need share more. Sign your money cost no. E boa ma yitinye eniji se enkoso be dey. E be ba achim da. Now the festival program calendar. Jumedi na yebedi ni an your calendar enie. Now we have the date, activity, and section. So the program is going to start on the 27th December 2025. Your baby will be a very clean up in the morning. Bono na mantem watching the eniano. You be organize a very big clean up exercise. Na yenia yet mi akwa yebi. 28th, and also a soccer games in Punto dinner, what I was talking about. We also have a cultural display. We have gaming competition, health work screening, show your swag fashion and the artist night. So now with the cleanup exercise, which is going to happen on the 27th, there was a mistake. We are going to launching the festival with a cleanup, a community cleanup. Ye mantem biya ni ebe your shit to send an answer MC you know. Ebe your shit. Amo bi biya wo mantem biya no obehwe na waye den we clean o mantem. Before answer it me ahye sa grow we ase and adwumadwe we ase na aboa ama ahoden etimi aba so oni ahoden so ontimi nye the NG weni and not ontimi nye any activity bia. We also have engage the youth and the residents to make Oda clean and what beautiful. I was saying who say Oda be yefe. E memu ado mo ho bagim o hwe picture ye we here me mrant here e clean up. Sabe pepe no bia na mrant here be clean up o mo mantem na amade no ayefe. Promote environmental responsibilities and unity. Send any niano, ye bedi ahunidi awo ye environment nim na aboa na de nkamo ba bra ye clean ups no nyoni mo bi kra be hu bi no ne de edi nkomo na eboa na de nkabom ye de eba. We have the soccer gala games, which is on the 28th in the morning. Competition between the top 4 Cape Faith clubs in the locality. That is your Cape Faith clubs e woda ha. Mo me di count game ni bi dada. Nti your top 4 amaka so mo bo. Emre na dru. Yes, say the sa akensi ni e baba be show Oda Youth Festival mu no make me the sa akensi na mana efe. Want to encourage unity, teamwork and sportsmanship. You were football for you mu. Enti no bra sa akensi we course no ebeboa ama na amfify den adosun. Afi say den kabum be den ebeba one more talent aye de ball no so on betimi adanedi ama obi etimi de ahwe. Ebi mpa na yo scout e wo sabia ho obetimi scout e de bakobo team bia wani kra nye den enda nti ya preach a ye preach say sabro bibiara onum ball bia no de ne ho be den e be shim na aboa yinia. A fun and an inclusive way to bring people together. Segment we nia eboa ma e de nkabom e den eba e de emanso saboa ama e de enijesu ye den eba. Now we have what we call the impunto dinner on the 28th. Yakobo bo na wi na numre no ye wo dinner fefefe. One, welcome indigenes who have returned home for the holidays. Woma tukwa oma ba fie no. I think the special invitation be kwa abonte na invite oma ba ni nia yetimi atena pon ho edidi. Etitru beba ye MP beba the MC beba ahemfo beba etitru the clergy. Obi bia o be invite ni bia benya sa akwanya baby. Sa abre no na ye betimi ebiso omo question and now here I want to watch him down any youth ninia. 2, strengthen community bonds and partnership. So one more acquaintance bar. There's something what we call the networking. Obu okura na onim no, lawyer bi a wonim no, businessman bi a wonim no, businesswoman bi a wonim no. Saa abre no, obetime nya kwanya ne netime di nkomo ama aboa ba partnership akoso and community bonds netime de etime akoso. Opportunity to present the vision of the youth festival to the leaders and the guests. Yeni ayi no menyoma aya na nkofo kanfa Odan Youth Festival ho. Odan Youth Festival activity ni bebra eboa ma de nkoso ye de eba. Na emom dodo no ehwe the negative aspect of it. Enti saa di na we beboa ama yeyi ye ni suade hu a ye wo ma ewo Odan Youth Festival ne ya kye ye mpenifo. No mate ase ye se Odan Youth Festival no enye ade e de roro ye hu na emom ade e de nkabo mu ba. Esade nkoso so ye de eba eno ni be preach na ye de akye ye mpenifo no. Another activity, cultural display on the 30th. Traditional dance, music, poetry, storytelling, and drama. Yebenya akwenya I witness what we call traditional dance, music, poetry, anyensem, storytelling, and drama. Preserving and promoting Odan rich culture and heritage. Odan and Akyem da na se Akyem Kotoku. Ewo amamre, ewo amanie. Sab time we boa ma yetimi preserve ya manie ne ya mamre e wa Akyem da e bi okwa ye wo no hu festival da no hu afahye da brewe e be boa ma ne hu se so da kra na afahye ye di kra na efre no odwura obi okwa mpa onim se ye di odwura e wa Akyem da sa time no be boa ama wo hu sa nyoma ni ni ha then creating pride among the youth and the local communities obi bia na youth bia na odbetu ne hu esi we de ne hu ahye cultural display no e boa ama the inkabum eba after the one moment no mo so etimi hia ama eboa ma ye ne etimi koyenim. We also have the gaming competition, that is PS4 and PS5 on the 31st December in the evening. The competition will be held at the frontage of the Akyem Oda Chief Palace, that is Akyem Oda. Yeba bedi agro game a the PS4 and the PS5 ebebo na yeba be check the way be this agro no games to be played. The soccer game and the Mortal Kombat. Agro eba be didn't teach a game, that is a computer game. So you have soccer, near a kutubonso game, which is the Mortal Kombat. Reps from each community. A client be fast this agro when Brono be a bed or rep bed ebeba. Ebe competition bibi ebedaso. Sika ebedaso. Until ubi abenya sakonyano. One man mubo, who is so nyamino no man about register, no present the community of free. Now on the that night, no, it's me a can so a winner on this gaming competition. So we are going to do what we call health work screening on the first. Now, that youth festival ni attitude on the first also. Because on the first the day you be crown the whole event. And to share or say you be a friend, a be train. Which is promoting fitness and healthy lifestyle. So when you are here, when me emergency and anopano, you better say, what do you call it? This fitness work and healthy lifestyle. Free health checks for participants. Obi biara obi no be side game no. E be free screening amano. I'll be me check it, pressure ne, all the vitals ni on that day. Send your own juvenile and after that, you say be a wood traffic, or say a show so upon Mudeno and who here be found and in the way to imagine. A fresh and a healthy way to begin the new year. Because of say new year for front, so we say that we'll begin with a good health. The move fire ring day, ember new year and sa Jumedia we beboa ama ya pomodeno SCP. So we have what we call show your swag or the fashion show. On the first in the afternoon, youth fashion and creativity showcase. Bra, yamrantie, yamembu no ebetre omahofama, ewo omontare shem, how omutimi on sat, atare, and normal do my adwene kantare bo metimi ehye na ede chairman sign. No, so almost was killer. And then one of the most expensive avenue where we see fashion. Maybe could be a fashion is taking place, even in the church is taking place. That's the reason why we have the opportunity to have what you call show your swag. For preaching, they say, but this time around, it's not going to be like that. We also have empowering the youth people to express themselves confidently. So when you're confident, I'll be watering our crowd, which means dress it, what's wrong. But with this time, Charlie, me dress we are, me just say a beboa. In terms of beboa, ama, you say, confidence, away you move, bra, yes, and where I baby. Adding a fun and a modern touch to the festival. Nemo, you say festival, no, a fe, a base on you, Sam, you might be brave. Nemo, fashion a becahuan, a day, be a fair, a modern what touch to it. Said no woman who will be for a buchaba. The one who is an dressing here, who will be to cry about the one who's a boy, that kind of knowledge among how I bed dress it. How I be town, how I be town ye as a bar, send us all dressing. Sad dining a bay, science na abwa amayinia. In terms of our dressing, that is the climax of the whole event. So a grand concert with the local and invited guests. We have talent here in terms of music. On that day, on that night, to showcase their talent to the public. And after so, one might be invited. So we have a guest artist, be invite Namanaba. This time around the niche, because the biggest artist ever achieved that. No be able to say, yes, so achieved that you bet me there. And the money who say the biggest artist, everybody should expect a bigger artist this time around. A night of music, celebration, and entertainment. Sana don't know the also be near sound because Yakopon Boa ama fair bed about energy. Closing the festival in joy and united atmosphere. Say ye be we are wabos of ones of Akumatorium because we need Agyekumwaa what fat activities upon activities. I'm yet not climbing be a manaba yefe. Represent unity, youth identity, and culture. Encourage participants and visibility during the event. Brian Abrinia said, which is I entire we are. Obion say, and Paonso can ordinary youth festival, and oh, boy, I'm ordinary youth festival. According to Tibet, someone says, some more bontia, Moon Pretty said, you're only a t shirt, no? So, a t shirt now, saying that here, we have a sign here which shows or represent the youth. You can see, oh, it is in so many colors. We have the red, yellow, and other colors. And the best dress, I'm and I'm more of it as well. One just say a t-shirt, no, available, which is very affordable. Be a bit made. To be the price, ni better. About no be okay. This is the most important part. We have the role of the media. The role of the media. Mwakoye is for I feel I had pan in here me pan ye. A jumedia a person mo boy na mudi ede emayen. One, announce and publicize the festival before the event. After you share event, na you best say, "Mbo hu de ramaye na akwachi no bi bia ati say Oda Youth Festival no e baso and sakra na sada na ede edru ho." 2, create community awareness through radio, TV, and digital platforms on your social media, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, X. Baby bia obetimi abon ho ban no best stress e mo beboa na mabon ho ban na akwachi no bibia wo akwantu mpan sampa Oda Youth Festival no still e baso provide a coverage during the festival your best stress e mmenya akwanya na matimi atwa bibia re because say the name dem ye mbeko so aye bra ye no na bibia aboa mana ama festival no etimi akwanani share inspiring stories and highlights of each activity. I think the about activities ni here your best stress e munya akwanya na the best say activity be no meeting dey ato enfrema you can say in the internet so that people will see it and talk about it. They know that Oda Youth Festival is still original and authentic. We have the media benefit. Bra yes say munya djuma maye no or say so munya be free near here yenim. So we are going to talk about the media benefits of Oda Youth Festival. 1, recognition as official media partners. You be who say mo kan ya ho na ye say adwumadie we. Branding opportunity throughout the media. Baby biara be ye akansie no, e be say mo logos, mo bibia fa mo ho bia no, ye de ba be de e be to. Wo hwe ha se ya ye wo mo logos ni bi wa ha. Enye mo ni anam de ba but fiti e na ekọ no. Bibia no mo hu logos den e wo ho na ye timi aboa ama mo nso madwumadie na mo di no etimi akoso. Access interviews, stories and exclusive coverages. So over kind as a partner, open access aye interviews be a person be a obi a one kind as a partner, no, you will not be given that access. So be kind as a partner, I invite na magia to na mabano. Who access so bit my interview stories and also have exclusive coverage. So on kind of partner who say who would any of our content, our bontia, we will seal you if you are not part of our media partners. That's the reason why we wrote letters out there for you to partner with us. It's just straight. So we need any one kind of one. Don't go and be putting something out there. That's the reason why we have the access to interview stories and also have exclusive coverage of all our events. Partnership acknowledgement on banners, programs, and social media. I don't know how to put it in key. We are going to acknowledge your brand, your logos in everything that we are going to do. We are going to work together. As our media partners, a can't soon a bit my age, my boom. Now, Boamo Youth Festival, no 1. We provide event updates, jingles, and press kits. BBS Sefata say, the mamu, now mutum de body ye jumano, ye beshana ede, ye di aide, amam. You provide a platform to air and promote activities. Ye be share, na yenya a platform and a choir be fast way bit me about the medine be din hore. Assigning, I think with this one, assigning 2 media reps per station for the coverage. The median anytime behind the best say more bar at least many crowd 2 with me about number age man the Agyeiwaa Oda Youth Festival. Joint strategy for countdown publicity and live coverages. I think the best say you better countdown. And that date you're saying near the county. Near Kaman for say Oda Youth Festival no bang near the KAREEM. Now I think so. Dunia make my life more air make my can be a fan na and also aboa. Call to action. Bra ya frame na magia to say near be here jumano. A kwan ben so Anna in near bit me I near said this Agyeiwaa. That is what we call the call to action. 1. We are counting on the media to help amplify our voices. Even the air bohon the rule, best say, Munamu tintan video so, more radio, Munamu and no to question, best rim, some quail, Mumbo Mumbo the rule, na Mboa, no BBR any day, ente. Confirm your station participation and assigning your reps. I was saying, Yamujitum Sampa, money every partner. Near whom reps are more admired, and said the more treatment in a year to team how best we can treat you. Let's make this a historic and memorable youth festival for Oda. Akyem da ye me no mi no dia, enye onipa ba ko bi dia. Enti ye yes me bua na ye na de we be ye nkai dum wa akyem da ene amama so a e de anyonya hye be bring ni ha because be kasa mpa me ka ho na asa adwuma die we ne etimi call so tote. Because some money I'm for a long time. It's me. I think say drum ra. A baby question.
Keep fit. Yeah. Top 4.
Martin, who is some I usually have a including a commission person coming for Roma since 14 a youth. Now the teams 4 and a 1. You say I want a child.
I know you any say na no na ye adwen wo say day ana ye san ye dinner no nti say soccer no koye bebra I think say emwa ma ye ntimi nwie ma ye ntimi nkoye dinner no anwumre no
29 activities.
yes
so I didn't am for dinner number 29 nanka football no am base 28 senior can youth ni ya no be day ni ya be games senior adina be hye so na e say escape your home say one day you need to event.
Okay, what can so be take note na ya dwen ho nti. Ya dwen ho ade besi no, e be mama so ati. Yes sir.
Well, it's about your question you say. And I said you agree come you said many people say the other because at times social media they take part by also one. Now is there a hashtag among it for the year Oda Youth Festival?
You so ye no so ho adwuma ye free anoma ye pese ye we na afi de ya only out normal ye pese ye de be kan won nti de be mo kan ye ho de nti na ye create WhatsApp we no bibi ani a ye be discuss wo no na ye hu a obesa you come out to ask us Costi.
Okay. Me so me question is it show your swag and the fashion show.
Yeah.
Because every year we have a program where we are. The beauty of the show is taken away by the friends, the explicit content the Bible there. What you know, on my team, as I said this time around, it's not going to be like that. So, as organizers of the show, how are you going to moderate sad events? After the event, you're not going to see half naked pictures of women. And this previous years, this time around, awareness.
Kakra betima ka fa say Odan Youth Festival no mostly the Odan Youth Festival ne buy pan yes problem no ro ho no ene na ma ye hu ya ye be so event ni say ye turning from the motive and nkofo odwen no but I think say ye be so ma ye no sa no ma no ye hu say esi na say ekoso enti ye nso ye boy modin bia say ye ne security this time ye be use security force no na advert ne so be come say why you be hu say na we share na emwa no you be hold you responsible and at that time no cry you be take you off from the scene na be bia you do be share do wa share you and then we release you event and this is the 8th year yeah so the way AC no e bi AC da it we che say ya tena se enye sie ne ye no ye nye ni say da wa ja ye nye ni say da it we na ya ye ntine ye de obi aba on board no create WhatsApp group ama the media no na yatime di your own komo ye den e was our platform ni so it ye sham boy said this year ne there there's no way say be media no a film after the event no yeah that's it yeah opoku sisi aye kasa de ye nya obi a ye nya nipa ba akokora o se obeboa event no but ye wo hwemu wo gidie se ento anko do that day ni there na nyankopo aye nsenche ni nti ska de obi ama ye ska bia obi obeka se obi ama ye ska ye yeah
for camp say ye body media for that but at least anything business bia ye nya headlines point the beat say company bia o ma be say bia on say na ye kwa ye so bitima pushim kena so sa company A company B o ma ye really say you do obi ti abeka say ade no kwa ye nya ya be say ye ko ho
Ebisi enu omu wo nkomo didie ma ye gusu aye didi nkomo so far no adonko areche yen but ye ni omu enwie adwuma contract na wo se ye ni omu kono Bellies enso areche yen but omu so nyina na ye ni omu enwie nti na yen fa media sponsor bia amba meto so because your contract no enwie pay ye nti ye gusu se ye ko akoyani ana am say awoso hen so wa reche yen so no so betima aboa yen nti afi we de ye wani da so say bibia be na MC poyo so atu no ho asi wo say ono so beboa this year event no na honorable MP kwasi akwan so e wo ho no so ono so be den e beboa yen nti afi we de ye hya mo bo say enye te se first no ko enioma asesa nti afa gold mu nyina say ombe sponsor yen nti yanhwe ni say no ma papa beti na film ya den aba yeah opoku
program don say my MC program bia every day bia me ba de bia ye dia no be kan afi we do one so na say papa dan afi we yen ko say ye the artist kesi bi e ba oda because mo be kan dem afi ba ko publicity na be wie no na afi de ade na san kwachi afa esa yen say for ye dem mo ya ko twentro mu si su bi say afi ye expect artist kesi bi oda
artist at ne ye say the sponsors ne ye pay your nti yentimi ya reach artist but ye ne omu enwie kasa na ye ne omu kasa no ti bibia to ye na ye wo platform ne so de ye be hu artist a ye de ne beba Odan Youth Festival this year ana soccer no so ye bo public park nti na de wo no ma yakoba main event ne de ye confirm venue a ye be ye no for now due to the artist I expecting it.
Last question.
It's no about ocean, they didn't come over.
Whatever you say, we'll be on TV, no, we'll go out, that push you. I don't be a bit enough to give you a
yeah, it's in I'm saying, we're doing now at that platform. No,
show your swag, yes, yes,
are you team? I'm on no Jumano. Okay. Yeah, ni say na ba ni sa only omudi nkom na say response you are now the Aba main group.
Management is very hard. No conference group na it is there everyone. And also more creative and more media station in century a bit in a service security at the Boama programs now. They get to be an ASEAN and they be for life. It's me question one.
For Abuakwa promotion amana do they all say do. I know the normal or no ma the best support the media no. Though media stations ni normal just to me some be partner. But I say your ma letter yes that's how my individual being so letter. Because you say they are playing a key the no. Ntina more than a package ni wo no ma media house to be obebo na more than this time say or devote no ho ama odan youth festival. Nyamishira obia picture baako ewo animo ana se obi ba interview bi so pese o ya interview bi so a obetimi ene yemu bia timi aye interview no enti yedamase e dey tell me say masem mbeti ewo item 13 ewo honuma